fight, baby. Yeah. She fucking with me, baby. Money. Whenever she's around, my body fucks weak. Now I'm finally of her beauty. That's right. We taking off a lot of hundreds. I'ma break you off. I wanna see you take it off. Let me see you take it off. Ooh, your skin so soft. I wanna see you take it off. Yeah, take it off. Wanna see you take it off. Whenever she's around, my body falls weak. Now I'm fatally cause of her beauty. Hold you to my bounce, hold you to my bounce. I'm a star. Yeah. That's right. Let me take it off. Tonight, I'ma break you off. Your skin so soft. So tonight, break you off. I wanna see you take it off. Take it off. Whenever she's around, my body falls weak. Now I'm fatally cause of her beauty. Oh, she took my powers. Oh, she took my powers. I wonder where my powers are.
I'm gonna make some shit up, but look, check it. It's about niggas who can sing and niggas who can't.
That's right.
But it's about niggas who can hear and niggas who can listen. You
That's
feel me?
right.
Some niggas just be hearing some shit like you in the background. But it takes
Right.
a nigga to listen to some shit and understand what the fuck is going on. To understand what the fuck this melody and this harmony and all that shit be. You feel me? Some people just hop on some shit just because that shit be intuitive to all the other people and shit.
Right.
That's what everybody else jump on. Nope, not this nigga. You feel me? You know what I'm talking about? You gonna have to say some shit from here, not here. You